In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Avios points Qatar Airways. If you're looking to top up your balance for an upcoming trip or to reach a redemption goal, this clear walkthrough will guide you straight to the correct place on the Qatar Airways website with helpful context so you know exactly what you're seeing on each page. First, open your browser and go to QatarAirways.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that the region and language at the top of the page match your preference. If you're on mobile, you can do all of this in your phone's browser as well. Once the home page loads, you're ready to move into the loyalty area. Next, click on Privilege Club. This is Qatar Airways' frequent flyer program and the home of Avios, the points currency you'll be using. On desktop, you'll typically find Privilege Club in the top navigation. On mobile, tap the menu icon to reveal it. You may be prompted to sign into your Privilege Club account at this stage. Continue as you normally would so the site can display the correct options for your profile. Inside Privilege Club, look for the option labeled Buy or Boost Avios. This section gathers all the ways to increase your Avios balance in one place. It's designed to be straightforward so you can quickly choose the method that fits your needs. From there, select Buy, Gift, or Transfer Avios. This page explains the differences between each action: buying Avios for yourself, gifting Avios to someone else, or transferring Avios between accounts. For topping up your own balance, we'll focus on buying. Now click Buy Avios. This takes you to the dedicated purchase area. Here, you'll typically see a simple selector that shows how many Avios you can buy and the corresponding price, often with the currency set to your region. You'll also see any current promotions highlighted on the page, such as bonus Avios offers or discounts, which can make your purchase more cost-effective. One important requirement to keep in mind is that you need a balance of at least one Avios to buy, gift, or transfer Avios. If your account shows a zero balance, the system won't allow the transaction to proceed. Make sure your balance displays at least one Avios before attempting to buy more. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Check for limited time promotions, as they can significantly improve the value of your purchase. Ensure your profile details and currency settings are correct to avoid checkout issues. And review the displayed totals, including any taxes or fees, so there are no surprises. That's it. Now you know exactly where to go and what to click to buy Avios with Qatar Airways Privilege Club.